Hello learners, welcome back to Vijay English Academy. In today's video, I will tell you how to start speak English as a beginner. Let's begin. First of all, don't be afraid. English is just a language, not a test. If you make mistakes, it's okay. Mistakes help you learn. Tip number 1. Start with simple sentences. Say things like I'm going to market, this is my phone, I like tea. Use these sentences every day. Repeat them. Tip number 2. Think in English. Don't always translate from Hindi to English. Try to think directly in English. For example, when you see a fan, say in your mind, this is a fan. When you drink water, say, I am drinking water. Tip number 3. Speak with yourself. Stand in front of a mirror and talk. Say, hello, my name is Vijay Parmar. I am learning English. I want to speak better English. This will increase your confidence. Tip number 4. Learn 5 new words daily. Those words use in sentences. For example, if you learn the word beautiful, say, the sky is beautiful today. You have a beautiful smile. Tip number 5. Watch and repeat. Watch English videos, short dialogue, and repeat after them. Practice is the key. Without practice, nothing will work. So, learners, speak every day, practice daily, and remember, English is for communication, not for perfection. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Vijay English Academy. I will see you in the next video. Keep learning with Vijay English Academy.